Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here to share the May Flavors of the Month kit. So our Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections. You'll receive cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You'll also have access to 4 recipe cards. These are double page layouts that our design team designs for you, and then they give you their cutting and assembly instructions along with a color photograph. So you can create right along with our design team. They're really talented and give lots of inspiration. You're also going to have access to a free exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You just for our Scrap Room subscribers. So this month is this awesome cut file, Going Places, and then we have a little film strip at the bottom. So you're going to see we have a travel collection, but that would be great for any of these collections. So be sure to grab all of your freebies this month. We also have 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with the Flavors of the Month. So you can add on more cardstock, more pattern paper, or more embellishments. And if you're interested in even more, our Shots of Life coordinates with it. So you can get more pattern paper and embellishments by adding the Shots of Life. I'll have videos at the end so you can check those kits out and see what all you can add on. This month, our 4 collections. Our crepe paper, Gingham Garden, this beautiful collection here with all of the soft colors. Our travel collection, Let's Go Travel by Echo Park. From Fancy Pants, we have Honey and Bee. And from Simple Stories, My Story. So you have a lot of options this month, and I am in love with every one of them. So let's get right to it and see everything that you're going to get this month in your kits. Our first collection is a Gingham Garden from Crepe Paper, and you're going to start with 2 sheets of Fig Swirl cardstock. This paper here, it's gorgeous butterfly print and the rainbow. This paper is called A Light, and the back is a little white, like snow print on pink. We have this one in the shade, which is a brush stroke of all of the colors in this collection. It's just gorgeous there. The back is a floral print. Love that, just tone on tone. This paper, we have a little greenery that's done in circles. The back is a wood grain with the florals on the corners. That paper is called Timeless. So one more look at your patterned papers. Yeah, I'm just in love with that. For your embellishments, they will vary. So you're going to get one of the sticker sheets from the sticker book. This is the one that I got. I have some little washi strips, some little labels, things like that. Then you're also going to get half of one of the sheets of the foam stickers. So this is the one that I got. Again, those will vary in your kits, but you'll get something like that. So that is Gingham Garden from Crepe Paper. Our next collection from Echo Park is Let's Go Travel. So this is ready for all of your travel documenting. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of craft cardstock. We have this paper here with all of the globes. Just look at all the rich colors in this collection. The back is little airplanes on that barn red. That paper is called Around the Globe. Then we have larger planes in all of the different colors on a kind of canvas linen print. The back is a grid design in the green. This one's called Above the Clouds. And we have this awesome plaid. All of these are great dark colors that would be great for documenting the men in your life as well. So this is a map print. This one's called Passenger Plaid. So one more look at the patterned paper. I don't know about you, but I am ready to go somewhere. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a kind of a wood grain. It's got a ledger print, but to me it kind of reads like a wood grain border strip. The dark navy blue plaid and the scalloped. We have the destination board here. I love that. Travel, destination, let's go travel. So you have lots of options for titles here. Fun little banner. We got suitcases and maps. Collect moments, not things. So that is Let's Go Travel by Echo Park. Our next collection is Honey and Bee from Fancy Pants. So this collection kind of reminds me of the Felicity Jane collection. So it's Really pretty. If you like that style, you're going to love this. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper here is called Queen Bee. So we have the little bee on the mauve background. The back is a black and white striped. We have this paper called Wildflower Fields, and it's just a lot of different flowers. And I guess, well, nope, they go both ways. So it's just a collection of them. The back is a honeycomb print in black and white. Then we have this paper called Honey Jar, and I love this. It's kind of reminiscent of like a newspaper print. So we have natural honey, like all the different labels. Beekeeper's Professional, and the back is just a tone-on-tone beige print. It's gorgeous with the florals. One more look at your patterned papers. For your embellishments, they will vary among the kits, but you're going to get about 1/6 a pack of the ephemera pieces. So these are the ones that I received, and also about 1/6 of a pack of the puffy stickers. So a lot of fun there. So that is Honey and Bee from Fancy Pants. Our final collection is My Story from Simple Stories. This is a beautiful collection, and if you haven't documented about yourself, here is your collection. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Nixon, wonderful green there. This paper, Just Be You, which is a fun floral print on the black, and then we have a grid in the aqua. This paper, See the Good, little red flowers on a pink grid with a black and white grid on the back. I have this paper, is probably my favorite paper. This is Share Your Story, and it's a bookshelf of all of the books and a globe and the plants. And the back is a diagonal print. This has a little star, green on that with pink lines. So hopefully that shows up on camera. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, they will vary among the kits, but you're going to get 3 of the brad. So these are the ones that are just sticky. You're going to get some of the bits and pieces and the floral pieces, so it'll be a mixture of those. And then also some of the foam phrase stickers. So this is a lot of fun. I got some words, those books, a little coffee cup and butterfly. So again, those will vary. But that is My Story from Simple Stories. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Don't forget to check out the 3 add-ons available to coordinate, as well as the Shots of Life. Join us on the Facebook group and the blog. Join in the challenges, win some prizes. Check out what the design team and your fellow subscribers are creating. There is so much inspiration that we share out there. And thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.